In this video, Adisha will demonstrate how to use your cervical and lumbar spinal molding blocks. To perform this activity, lay on a floor, not a bed or a sofa. You can use a yoga mat or blanket under you if laying on the floor is difficult. Notice the shape of the lumbar foam block. Place the sloped edge towards your tailbone. To properly place the lumbar foam block, begin by locating your belly button. Draw a line to the back, then place the lumbar foam block in the middle of that line. The lumbar block should sit above your belt line. Now notice the shape of the cervical foam block. Place the flat edge of the foam block against your shoulders. Allow your neck to lay in the groove, allowing your neck to extend comfortably on the sloped edge. Knees can be bent at 90 degrees with feet flat on the ground, or you have the option to let your legs lay flat. This option will add more pressure to the lumbar spine. Just lay flat with arms on the ground, allowing your head to fall back naturally. Please do not actively tilt your head back. Now, you may choose to externally rotate your shoulders and forearms, allowing your palms to face up towards the ceiling. This may provide an added stretch through the front shoulder muscles and chest. Perform this activity for 5 minutes twice a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Then add 1 minute a day so that you end up performing this activity for 15 to 20 minutes over time. Listen to your body when performing this activity. It is important not to lay on the blocks if they continue to cause you pain. If this is the case, please discuss any issues you have with your chiropractor.